In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the search engine to Ecosia on your Safari web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Safari button up at the top, and then go down and select where it says Settings. And then you want to select the Search tab up at the top here. Where it says Search Engine, click the drop down and select Ecosia. And if you want to use it in private browsing mode, you can keep that check marked as well. And that is all you have to do. Please note this does not change the home page. It just changes the search address bar search engine. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.